Hey, secondary one math prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're gonna go into your final question of assessment paper number 4, and the question is actually pretty simple, so which is why I sound pretty happy. Okay, so let's take a look at the question immediately. The question says this: when the sum of 2k and 15 is divided by 9, the result is 11. Find the value of k. So for part A, it's pretty simple. You just have to imagine. It says when the sum of 2k and 15. So you write down 2k, the sum is plus 15. This whole thing, and the sum is divided by what? 9. The answer is k. That's what they're trying to say. In other words, sorry, the result is 11, sorry. The result is 11. Okay, so they ask you to find k. In other words, solve this equation. That's what they're trying to tell you. So from here, it's pretty simple. Again, cross multiply. It's becoming so boring already, right? I know, it's so easy. Equals to 11 times 9 gives you 99. Therefore, 2k equals to 99 minus 15. 2k equals to 84. K is equals to 42. Bam! That's the answer. Okay, so voila. Okay, in other words, for these kind of questions, you're just trying to kind of play with your mind. Basically, this is just a simple solving equation kind of questions. Okay, so for part B, Tom has 54 coins which are either, that means either, or it could be 20 cents or 50 cents. In total, Tom has $20.70. Let the number of 50-cent coins be X. Very important. Very, very simple for you already. Form an equation involving X and solve it. Okay, so in this case, Tom has 54 coins. Okay, so let's write this down. Tom and Jerry has 54 coins. Okay, he has 54 coins. Okay, it could be either 50 cents or 20 cents. Okay, so let's put a ratio over here. Okay, and it says let number of 50-cent coins be X. Okay, so if 50 cent coins actually equals to X, and there are 54 coins, what does that mean? That means 20-cent coins actually is 54 minus X. Simple, right? Okay, and it says that all this actually is equals to $20.70. So form an equation in X. How do we do this? Pretty simple. Okay, in this case, it's simply for example, if I tell you I have 10 coins and 54 minus 10 is actually equals to 44, and I have 44 20-cent coins, the whole thing equals 2070. So can I find the value? Of course I can. So in other words, X times 50, in other words 0.5x plus 0.2 times 54 minus X is going to give me what? 20.7. That's what it means, you see. So 0.5x plus 0.2 times 54 gives you what? That means 1/5 of 54. 10.8. 10.8 minus 0.2x is going to give me 20.7. Simple. So 0.5 minus 0.2 gives you 0.3x. 20 minus 20.7 minus 10.8. 9.9 is it? Lama. 9.9, correct. 9.9 divided by 0.3 will give you 33. Therefore, x is equals to 33. Okay, so they said, hence find the number of 20-cent coins Tom has. 20-cent coins equals to 54 minus x equals to 54 minus 33. Should give you the answer of 21. So let's check. X is equals to 33, that means 50-cent coins. 33 times 0.5 is going to give you what? $16.50. $16.50. And 21 times 20 cents. 21 times 20 cents is going to give you the answer of $4.20. When you add them up, do you get $20.70? Yes, you do. And hence, the number of coins is actually 20-cent coins 21. Bam! Wow, pretty cool. Now, this kind of things is actually pretty useful when you really don't know what one person has and all that kind of stuff. It's actually pretty cool math, you know. I'm not going to explain this to you any further. I don't want to bore you. But anyway, math is pretty awesome. Remember, the quote of the week, which you can use in your life as well as in math, is good things take time. Easy come, easy go. Okay? And sometimes when you really work hard at something, yeah, and you really put your heart and your effort into it, okay, what you will notice is it takes a lot of time. And this time is what protects whatever you have from being lost, okay, or someone being taken away from someone taking it away from you. Okay, with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying please work hard, please take your time to understand things, because that will actually be rewarding to you in the future. You get out in direct proportion to what you put in. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.